Hi, this is promotional video for Visa application the third iteration. We can start from the changes for PDF constructor. The first and the main step is new opportunity for administrator to upload ready PDF documents as new templates to this constructor. Administrator can do it by several simple steps. For example, let's do it with Vietnam country. Tourist visa type. We navigate to PDF constructor page. The first step is adding an image to workspace. After that, we choose the file and upload it. Okay. As you see, file is added to template and you can save it as a new one. Also, I should notify that file which has 2 pages or more will be loaded successfully and the number of pages of template will be changed automatically. As you see, this way is much more elegant, comparable to creating PDF manually from scratch. You should only mark the places here for transmission of data. There are new settings for field now. We have checkbox underline. And for fields with multiple choice, like drop down, radio buttons and checkboxes, you can select transparent fragment. Another element were not changed. Next, I will present you changes in student user's profile. It was realized for autocomplete and other visa forms with the data user entered earlier. We'll begin from admin part. There is a new model profile manager in the backend. This module is used for creating and editing standard fields or profile fields. Standard profile constructor realized in the same way as form constructor. I mean that in both models, administrator can choose field type, field name, description, and variants for answer, and then save the changes. Admin should set up visa forms fields afterwards to provide after completing. Let's verify how simple is this procedure. Admin navigates to form editing page. For example, again Vietnam country. And click the button Add default field. And chooses one of the variants added before. Save the changes And now the data from this form will be copied automatically to any form that user will fill in, whatever this one or any other. Please pay attention to important note. Data from standard user's profile will be saved automatically as user will fill visa forms with standard fields, or can be entered by him in section My Profile. For example, as user, My Profile, we see in default profile the same fields. We can enter new value for the fourth field. User fill in first form, his data were saved, and now to fill in the second form, user's data transferred automatically in the appropriate fields. Next, let's see the changes performed for creating visa forms for different people simultaneously. On the editing form page, again country is Vietnam, there is a sentence personal and not personal. By default, fields are not personal. This setting helps to distinguish fields which will be filled in the form for each participant separately. Let's create a new form with personal and non-personal fields. It will be this form for Vietnam country. We have 3 personal fields and 2 non-personal. Fine. Now let's navigate to creating a request for visa, for example, for 3 people. We choose Vietnam. 3 people. Our touristic type. Okay. So we can add some personal information. And we can see the name of destination, for example. Copy it to another forms too. If user wants to edit this value in any form, it will not change the values in others. So, as you see, all of the fields of other forms were filled in with the first one simultaneously. To finish request, user should fill in several personal fields manually and click Next. I should notify that in case of the form which consists from non-personal standard fields and user has full standard profile, all of the forms will be filled in automatically, and it provides finish the request in several clicks. That's the result for this sprint. Next updates will be in the next year. Have a nice day.